Oh, look at that.
Gotcha.
Ah. Okay, so
Hello, everybody. Here we go.
Our lovely James.
Hi,
He stole his finger. But he has great grubby nails.
He has fantastic nails for this visual.
Exactly. So you can really see his cuticle, that dead skin on the nail plate, the keratinized, and all that means is buildup of extra skin tissue. So another way of looking at that is when we are shoveling or swinging on the monkey bars and we get those calluses, that's all it is. It's extra keratin.
Callus, yeah.
Keratinized skin. So we need that to be happening here to have this guardian seal that keeps all the germs and bacteria out of the matrix.
Guardian seals.
That's alive. Down here, the keratinized fold, the cuticle is dead. The nail plate is dead. Lunula, this exposed portion, as you can see, it's more of a milky color. That's the exposed portion of the nail matrix. Now, right here, that is the line of demarcation, and that is death, right there.
That's what death looks like, y'all. And not everybody can see death happening.
No, most of us can't, because if we don't have a lunula that you can see, it's all then underneath here. And so